Welcome back to TechVibes. Are you looking for the ultimate way to get any app you want on your streaming device? Today, I am showing you 8 secret private App Store libraries that you can use on your Android TV right now. These stores contain thousands of applications, media players, and tools, so you will always find exactly what you're looking for. Let us jump straight into how to get this set up as quickly as possible. First, we need to install the master application that lets us access these private stores. If you do not have it yet, open any web browser on your device, search for Downloader by AFTV News, and install it from the official Google Play Store. Once Downloader is ready, open it, go to the URL box, and type in the shortcode TB81. Code number 1 is EB2E4A4C. This is an excellent starting library with a solid selection of media tools. Code number 2 consists entirely of numbers. Type in 676645537 to unlock the second library. Code number 3 is Super App 911. This vault contains a huge variety of apps to choose from. Code number 4 is Power Hub. Type this exact phrase to access an incredible selection of utilities. Code number 5 is another number combination. Enter 3362746 to load up the popular Stream Doctor Vault. Code number 6 is Fire Stick. Even though it is named after the Amazon device, it works flawlessly on Android TV boxes and features a massive collection of streaming apps. Code number 7 is EMG YouTube. This store is highly rated and packed with fantastic media players. Finally, code number 8 is my absolute favorite, Everything. Type the word everything as a single word to access a massive, constantly updated digital vault that has almost every app in existence. That concludes our massive list of the 8 best library codes for Android TV. Take your time browsing through them to find the perfect setup for your television. If this video helped you expand your app collection, please drop a like down below to support TechVibes. Leave a comment if you have any questions during the setup process. And make sure to smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on the best streaming tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.